Have you ever looked at your kitchen and realized your cookware is taking up more space than your groceries? Or maybe you're tired of using 3 different appliances to cook a simple dinner. If that sounds familiar, the Instant Pot Rio Mini could be exactly the kind of kitchen upgrade you've been looking for. Today, we're reviewing the Instant Pot Duo Mini 4-quart 7-in-1 multi-cooker, a compact pressure cooker designed for students, couples, singles, and small families who want fast, convenient meals without sacrificing valuable counter space. It combines 7 cooking functions into one appliance, making everyday cooking much simpler. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One thing that immediately stands out is the updated design. Unlike older pressure cookers that often look bulky and industrial, the Rio Mini feels much more modern. Its compact footprint makes it easy to leave on the counter or tuck away in a cabinet when it's not being used. The colorful finish also adds a little personality to the kitchen instead of looking like another plain appliance. Although it's smaller than traditional Instant Pots, it doesn't feel like a compromise. The 4-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals for 1 to 4 people, making it perfect for weeknight dinners, meal prep, or smaller households. If you're cooking for 2, you'll likely have enough leftovers for lunch the next day without wasting food or filling an oversized pot. The stainless steel inner cooking pot feels durable and handles daily cooking well. One thoughtful improvement is the anti-spin design, which keeps the pot stable while stirring ingredients during sauté mode. It might sound like a small feature, but anyone who's used older pressure cookers knows how annoying it can be when the pot rotates while you're trying to brown onions or cook meat. Performance is where the Rio Mini really shines. Pressure cooking dramatically reduces cooking time compared to traditional methods, often finishing meals up to 70% faster than slow cooking. That means dishes like soups, chili, shredded chicken, pasta, rice, or even stews can go from ingredients to dinner in a fraction of the usual time. For busy professionals or students, that's a major advantage after a long day. Versatility is another big selling point. Beyond pressure cooking, it also works as a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, and more. Instead of filling your cabinets with separate appliances, this single machine can easily handle most everyday cooking tasks. If you're working with limited kitchen space, that flexibility becomes incredibly valuable. Using the Rio Mini is refreshingly straightforward. The cooking progress indicator helps you understand exactly where the cooking cycle is, reducing the guesswork that some older pressure cookers created. Once cooking is finished, cleanup is equally simple. The stainless steel inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleaning takes only a few minutes instead of becoming another chore after dinner. Safety is another area where Instant Pot continues to build confidence. The Rio Mini includes multiple built-in safety features, including overheat protection and an automatic sealing locking lid. These systems work quietly in the background, allowing even first-time pressure cooker users to feel much more comfortable using the appliance. Of course, no product is perfect. The 4-quart capacity is excellent for smaller households. But if you're regularly cooking for 5 or 6 people, you'll probably find yourself wishing for the larger 6 or 8-quart models. Likewise, experienced cooks looking for extensive manual programming options may find the simplified interface a little limiting compared to premium multi-cookers. Compared with similarly priced multi-cookers from Crock-Pot, Ninja, and COMFEE, the Instant Pot Rio Mini stands out because of its reliable pressure cooking performance, intuitive controls, compact size, and trusted reputation. While some competitors offer additional specialty cooking modes, the Rio Mini focuses on the features most people actually use every week, and it executes them very well. Overall, the Instant Pot Rio Mini is an excellent investment for students, singles, couples, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants fast, reliable home-cooked meals without cluttering the kitchen. It's compact, versatile, easy to clean, and delivers the convenience that has made Instant Pot such a popular name. If this review helped you decide whether the Instant Pot Rio Mini is the right fit for your kitchen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen appliance reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest pricing before any current deals expire.